What's up everybody? Gonna do a quick review of this exhaust that I got. Some before and after clips. You guys can see if you like it for yourself, but it's a Magnaflow 3" in, 3" out, and a dual 4" tip. Very similar to the Corsa tip, except I got this off Amazon. So we'll start off with that. I really like the tip. Again, this was $100 cheaper than the Corsa. I had them tuck it up as high and as tight as I could. And I think it looks really, really good. Now in doing so, they did have to remove the factory resonator to get it tucked in as tight as they could, and had to fabricate some new piping to go over that axle. But in my opinion, it's well worth it. You can see just from these different angles what it looks like. I think it looks fantastic. Alright, so onto the resonators and the muffler itself. There's a muffler back there, and they didn't have this resonator in. This is like an 18" or 24" 3" resonator. I ended up not having this in, and I brought it back because the exhaust was pretty drony, and honestly this resonator didn't fix it. So muffler fits well. You can throw a resonator back in, but just one downside to this exhaust is I found it was pretty drony. But in my opinion, definitely better than some Flowmaster and Borla exhausts I heard. I wanted just a tick over stock, nothing too crazy, and I think this achieved that. I'll put some before and after clips. Feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, and again, put these in the description below in case you guys want to buy it yourself.